If you just got your dbrand Prism 2.0, relax, this is going to be easy. First things first, make sure you're in a clean, bright, dust-free environment. Inside the box, you'll find a Prism 2.0 and a cleaning kit. The cleaning kit includes a microfiber cloth, 2 alcohol wipes, and a squeegee. Note that each order comes with 2 sets, just in case you f it up on your first try. Let's get started. Before installation, ensure that your phone is turned off. Use one of the 2 included alcohol wipes to clean off your screen. Make sure to save the second one for later. You may need it. Next, use the microfiber cloth to clean off the alcohol. At this point, your screen should be spotless. Grab the installation tray and attach it to your phone, ensuring that the pyramid logo is at the top and the pull tab is near the charging port. Next, gently hold down the tray and remove the pull tab completely. Swipe along the dotted line, then wait 5 seconds. Finally, remove the tray by peeling it off from the top. If you're noticing bubbles at this point, don't panic. Simply use the included squeegee to sweep them out towards the edge of the glass. If your screen is bubble-free, you're done. If you're still finding bubbles, keep watching. There are 3 different types of bubbles you may come across. Tiny air pockets around the border, small clusters of bubbles, and large pockets of trapped air. Let's start with the tiny air pockets around the border. Grab your second alcohol wipe. Firmly press it against the edge of the glass, then rub along the affected area until the air pockets have disappeared. Finish by wiping off the alcohol with your microfiber cloth. To remove the small clusters of air bubbles, wrap your microfiber cloth around your finger, then use your fingernail to sweep them out towards the edge. For the large bubbles, just use your squeegee to slowly sweep the bubbles towards the edge of the glass. It's best to remove 1 bubble at a time. For best results, make sure to press firmly and sweep slowly. Done! If you have any questions, you know how to reach us.